y'all, this is your boy Vlogging with Ty, back with another video. Got something interesting from my truck once again. I'm gonna let you see what's in the box. Watch this. Boom, got a box. Let's see what it is. What's in the box? Let's see what we got today. What did I order from the girl? I know it's in there. Do y'all know what's in there? Oh. What do we have here? Oh. What is that? Yes, sir. About to install an air filter. What in the world? Where did these go to? Got some little tentacles. Whatever. Okay. Whatever. Yes. You know? Yes. Yes. I think you already know, right? Boom. Intake. Yes, sir. Now, don't know how to do this. Easy, simple. Easy, simple. In with the red. Yes, sir. Yeah. That's a mess, boy. Yes. Very, very interesting, I should say, because, yep. Oh, this finna come off. Had to close my garage door a little bit, but yep, this finna come off. Of course, you already know. All this gotta come off. Yes. All my hard work I'm gonna put into this. But now it's gonna open this up. Be able to look down there, cause I done changed this. You can tell, but I done changed that out. I done changed those out. Now she's gonna be able to breathe a whole lot better. I'm trying to figure out what angle I want to put y'all in. If I want to put y'all on this side, if I want to put y'all over here, we shall see.
Yeah. So, let's see. Let's see if we can knock this bad boy out of here. Let's go ahead and take this stuff off. Give it a little bit of room to play. Yeah, this is just dope. Yeah. That bad boy off. Yeah.
Now, disconnect this one right here. Yes, my baby's gonna be breathing. She's gonna be breathing. It's finally off. Yeah. Now the fun part. Taking this bad boy off. almost left y'all out on this one almost forgot about it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here's a page of lemon squeeze it. Da, 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 da. Yep, all those parts are off. Right here. Right here. Let's see. Let's do it like that. So the next part, I had to snatch this out. This plate's got to come out as well. Oh, okay. That's a better view of the water pump. Yeah. Change the belt out too. Whew. I might have to change that out eventually, but I ain't really worried about that. That's a better view of the spark plugs. But yeah, kind of getting a little sidetracked. But yeah, these little 4 bolts got to come out. Alrighty, y'all. So I ended up building the heat shield. Not that bad, but here it is, right here. Yeah. I decided to build it first. Make sure that I did it right. And I did do it right. Alright, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and piece it all together in the truck, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it in a time lapse. Don't worry about all this mumbo jumbo junk in front of my truck, all the junk in the front, but don't worry about that. So I'm about to put all this together. Got it on the front seat. So this part you gotta use your old hardware. Put it back in. Let's see if I can do this correctly, which I can, and I will, and I shall succeed. You gotta mount it here and here. It'll keep it sturdy, but I wish I can get to this other mounting hole back here, because this hole just floating. I wish I can show you what it looks like. I wish, I don't know. Piece this together. I'm just gonna go ahead and piece it together right now, and then put it together. Okay, now let the fun part begin. Put this just like this right to here. Make sure you can snap that back in. Uh-oh. Some way, somehow, some shape or form, you just slide her in here like this, slides in like butter. Okay, hold on. Let me. Oh, can't use that. So you gotta unscrew that a little bit more, and then you just slide the Holy Grail in here, just like so. Boom. This thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. But then, since I got tops, I gotta put that down below. Boom. All right, now she's in. But now I realize that I have to rearrange my intake. Gotta take that apart. So that's gonna be fun. Watch this. Okay, let me see. Now, you gotta make sure that you're clear from everything as well. Oh yeah, she's been eating this right here, y'all. She's been eating this for a minute. Got rid of that old intake. That was garbage. I'm glad I did this color. So shift that around until it's snug, and then snug that on up. Alright, and then I wish I had somebody who could record me, but my little handy dandy tripod is doing just fine, matter of fact. Yeah. That's in there. And don't forget to screw this back in too. Screw this back in. This thing, I don't know if y'all can see it, but let me get it off this tripod. Let's see. Zoom in. Don't forget to tighten that nut down right there. You gotta put, there's a hook that you gotta piece up in there. So snug as a bug. Whoa. Well, got her all connected and everything like that, except for one more thing that I gotta throw right on top. Oh, ooh. Turn that off in a second. But boom. Yes, sir. So with that being said, vlog with Ty signing out. I'm gonna catch you in the next vlog. Deuces. Gonna go for a rip in a sec. Later.